Welcome to the channel. Let's color match the photo. Bring the model image into the main canvas. Press Ctrl+T to activate the transform tool. Right, click and choose Flip Horizontal. It will flip the image. Go to the Quick Selection tool and select the subject. Photoshop will automatically select the object. Now click on Layer Mask icon. Create a Curves Adjustment layer. Click on this clipping icon. Now the effect we will apply only affect the clipped layer. Now select this middle icon and double-click on it. You can pick colors from this eyedropper tools or press Alt and click on the auto. Now select Find Dark and Light colors. Choose Shadow Color and pick the dark color from the other image. Now pick the bright color from the image. Now pick the mid-tone color from the image. Choose No. Now adjust the color with the curves. Here's the before and after. Now create a color lookup layer and choose Drop Blues filter. Decrease the opacity and fill to 50%. Now your color match image is ready. Thanks for watching. See you next time.